Hey, check this out, this is the Makita 18-volt drywall cutter. This drywall cutter makes it easy and convenient to cut into drywall for those times when you need to inspect for mold or moisture, dry void spaces or complete strip outs. What's great about this drywall cutter is that it works in tandem with M Class or H Class vacuums so that what you cut gets immediately extracted, mitigating that mess that usually gets left behind. Another feature that makes this tool easy to use is its guiding groove. This makes it so simple to cut straight lines you need to make your job have that professional finish. This drywall cutter is great for safety. Unintentional nicking of cables can be a very big electrical concern for the user, but ensuring you set the height of the blade to the depth of the drywall ensures any cables sitting behind are left untouched. All you need is the Allen key that is already stored on the cutter. The drywall cutter comes with a blade cover as well as a dust box, a hex wrench, base cover, hook and drywall blade. And of course, this drywall cutter runs on the universal 18-volt Makita batteries, making it easy to power, charge and save money. And in case you were wondering, yes, we do sell the replacement blades, so no worries there. Make your job easier as a technician by grabbing one of these easy to use drywall cutters that help you leave a cleaner area with a professional finish. You can grab yourself one of these on our website, call us, or walk into our showroom. We're happy to have a chat. See you around.